I say what say your announcement our radio piece our Winneba say omo pobia obetumi aka twi na odi akobrofo and obi obetumi aka brofo di akotwi. To be honest with you, obi oni me very well, very 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 well. Na me fantin ye from day one na me katwi from day one na me katwi I mean kafanti
if you no be ho katwi ana
obi ani ho katwi that time me growing up did not see anybody. It's in the tintin and say a call me call interview ni bi na me we secondary school December January and ye call yes interview no ye call any year 152 yes
adwuma baako
yes
position baako
152 they were looking for only 2 people.
Okay, say you try 150 ago
and the adwuma no wura no ona the first person or kind news at GBC
they didn't say
opening Kweku Gatitego Kwesi Gatite Kweku Gatitego Gatitego the first person or kind English news
GTV
GTV Kwame Nkrumah di TV ba Ghana half of only first nipa or tena konwa so e kind news e di kind our TV no so on the station here and there.
There's a sabre no when you be
oh no when you I mean na osaka say sanity there obehia yenya ye be interview ni na no o mepe nipa ba kwa ka o ma na 3. Okay during the interview na me to so 3 na interview na me to so 3 but me hu dey na me sorry na me kuta chemistry book bi so I left to go and na person me kan bi because as na matena ho che ti me buy no let us say Sammy ho I became last but 3.
Wow, it's a 3 no
became last but 3 and medical interview no you do interview na se no me say men kan chemistry book na ikuta me no na me fan kotwi so how is this possible? Oxygen ne twi ye day carbon dioxide ne twi ye day all these are gases but now your chemistry master be a friend Mr. Seriam a friend Snowball of Cape Coast University and about Palm Secondary School about your teaching practice to be chain chemistry organic chemistry kakra no catch him say kan campus say gases ni na yija so yem fa no nti yetirim eyem frama na yija to me kan chemistry book no na me drew oxygen am say framaja me drew carbon dioxide am say framaja na panel in acid nobody had heard that term before framaja the end say so I started using inframaja on air first by me that tree
that was 2000
that was 2001
oh okay
inframaja me we secondary school 2000 24th December because it's happening me fear Palm Secondary School February March 1st April na me year juma so etwamka yes Winneba so I have a story to tell so nobody should sit somewhere and say anything
21 22 years old
exactly 20 pepe
yeah 20 more
pepe
okay.
So from there I was also the first person to read English news on that radio station. And a papa friend no catch him say you have a huge potential. If you would allow me to coach you before you'll become a huge broadcaster in this country. And I'm so penny mate. Into me mama ho kwan. Me kaya na me tia. Sementi kura na me ko. Da and then I say playback. Now say my announcements are ya funny penny newi. I can the third person captain man number 3 or ma. Until finally almost your announcement say and now announcement no more year no. Final say my ma me put before flashing. It didn't me de call a blessed God's been smart. Yes we at here kurase. Why the name sardine no. me wa fanom ni nim
Profudin tintin.
it's or driving a car now or the tea you be kan ni bi no be afie no be ka say hey
Brana so.
ya bo odin o ye sebra until 1st April me call ye etete ho sa tete radio no so yeah me koto papa bi friend do chia me
Okay.
ona na o na o sinema na me so pani mami nsima so hwe me nim de no say na say wonni me o ye hwan ya na onim say me na ya fa me na so me ni so oh na me hwe yawo ma twa o sa wo mada eso be bad ne ti bi sinema na ba ko no say be senye ko studio na me ko kire o say de fidie no so tie na yembie so ma ona fehwe akire ma me onye bi da ba ti o chem say mic 1 yebi o ha 2 yebi o ha we ne ya bo cassette u roll say
Cassette yeah. Open my obre pa.
me ko na me kuta Walkman so ni Walkman
Walkman.
aha sa Walkman na kuta me no na ye Pentecost Dickness bi o bankasim your friend Madam Dickness Dorothy Kwansa ono ne sister no ni kunu wo Italy and o mo de be che no na me to nwom wa sorry na ye ne de no so bi sam say me pede na me say na mpe no tam che me ti ano na me ko na ne kuta me ti na me bo so winners onya me say ayi papa de jam ho ko no obi ansoma mi o mi roli ya na me shame na me bo nwom no na me start say me kasa that time na me tie komla do mo
Yeah.
Pa.
Joy.
This is the Super Morning Show. My brother so ya na jo. We are there now ka Super Morning Show. And a company ni run 2 car. Eba ho. So why na e kasa no? Na do cham se obi an kasa e we abontin ya mi si dem na abrante small boy na mo fan for na ba. But no somebody is on air. See ever friend me na me call. No, sir, you the one talking? I'm saying yes, sir. You have a very beautiful voice. But you have not been given any training. Why are you talking on that? You don't have to do that. I'm saying yes, sir. But I'm saying, I'm quiet. I'm saying, you. And a papa son the chiba, and I catch up. Said, now, allow him
To talk.
Let him talk. Whatever he wants to say, let him say it. Now me call fast. Our story now see what Palm Secondary School. No. I told the story
On air.
on air. By the time I'd finished, na kruma ye deja your brother bi win by for kojo bedu
Okay.
Akuma
na
FM.
krofo de chire mu ho
Omo de yumoko.
say group mi nu ho
What can to come omo?
eti me did 6 months no more year awards that was Central Region. I mean, so I went there. I was nominated 6 months in radio. I picked 3 awards.
Wow.
Radio Personality of the Year, the Best English Caster, Newscaster. Now for me by morning show, near friend the Dawn Show. Na na you record it.
No more bo.
Na bo
Okay.
record it. And so I know na mama pen na be seen there. See the morning show of 2 hours, no.
We record na na jo.
You recording an
Akuma
actual.
FM.
The train na GBC 4 kind wo 8 p.m. news ni wi a. Na say news nyina si. Na ya kaka ni na bobo ano. Na metimi akeka ne news na items na abani na sisi ani. Obi asese me friend no interview no me friend wa nadwo no na me interview.
Na de ashishim.
Yes. Na de ashishim sa. So when you check presenters interview President Kuffour be the president. Yes, really in 2001, 7 January now. I was the first person who interviewed him. Yes, apart from People's Assembly, no, meet the press, but say on phone.
One or phone.
Yes, on phone to interview him about swearing in and then a few other things as part. And that is when Benjamin Urano Benya GDO Mimo. And then he said that, okay, go on. But presenters I'm quoting more boami.